To check your transaction history on PayPal, you can easily do so through their website or mobile app. Follow these steps to access your transaction details. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Activity. Once logged in, look for the Activity tab on the main menu. Click on this tab to access your transaction history. Step 3. Set the date range. In the Activity section, you will see options to filter your transactions. Select the date range for which you want to view your transaction history, such as last 30 days or a custom range. Step 4. Review transactions. After setting the date range, your transaction history will be displayed. You can scroll through the list to see details such as dates, amounts, and transaction types. Step 5. Download history optional. If you need to keep a record, you can download your transaction history. Look for a download option, select your preferred file format, and follow the prompts to save it to your device. Now you can easily check your transaction history on PayPal whenever you need to.